Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. I'm gonna show you how to 3D model a donut in Blender. So, why a donut? Everyone likes donuts, so I chose that. Um, okay, so let's just get down on the basics of this first. So, in the middle, this thing, the little red circle, it's like when you spawn a new object wherever this red dot is, the object will be created. So you can move it by pressing this, and then yeah. So to move an object, you either can go to these arrow keys and then just move it up and down, or you press G and it moves wherever. If you press G once and press X, it will move Y, it will move on this axis, and Z is a weird one. It moves on the y-axis for some reason. Um, there's left click when if you right click it will save your change. If you left click it will just not even count what you did there. So right click all the time. Yeah. R is for rotate. So yeah. Then if you press X, it will scale it up. If you press X and S, I mean S, not X. If you press X for scale and then X, it will scale it on this direction, C, and then if you press Y, it will do the same. Okay, so let's get started. What every Blender developer does, I don't know what that's, it's a rule, but you gotta delete the first cube you stop with at the start of the project. So, then we want to create the base of the donut. So to create, you press add at the top here and then go to meshes and then go all the way down to this, and then at the bottom click this arrow and then just by radius scale it up a bit, and then yeah, that should be fine. Actually, let me just round it off to 1. That should be fine, and then just scale up the major radius. Yeah, and then okay, so now since I'm gonna end the episode, yeah, but one last thing. If you want to render your image, like if you want to render the image you have here, you can press the button under escape. I don't know what it's called, and then press view camera. So everything in this little square over here will get rendered. And to render image, you go to render up here and then render image, and then it might just take a while, but yeah, it's the image that's gonna be rendered. So yeah, okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.